Be strong.
Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to do things a bit differently. I'm not going to do any unboxing, but I'm going to get straight to the point. It's because this product over here by DGIVOVO, that's my new power wash, it is very important in functionality then if I look at the overall packaging. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and look at this small and strong beautiful piece. Let's talk about why just this product versus all the other products out there. Now, the result actually is based on what I researched and also what are my needs, and it can definitely be varied depending on your needs. So, first of all, what I wanted was a small and compact product which is not that heavy. So, this is around 8 kgs and which I can move around easily. So, if you see, it has wheels over here and I can move it very easily. I can just lift it with one hand as well. The second thing that I really was looking for, that it should be powerful. Now this guy looks small, but it produces an output pressure of 4000 psi, which is a lot. And also, if you just want to get into a bit of technicalities, it leaves about 2.8 gallons per minute. So that's basically the metric for the amount of water that comes out of your hose whenever you press the hose and you let the water flow out. So I think it can really handle a lot of different stains. And I just want to make a point that if you are looking to clean things properly, you really want high pressure. So if someone comes and tell you that low pressure is good, no, not at all. Definitely go for highest pressure that you can get with the smallest of the unit. Third thing, I just didn't want to use this product for power cleaning, but I also wanted to use this to clean my car, and I do a lot of car cleaning. So this product comes with 4 nozzle settings: the green one, red, white, and yellow. And just to kind of tell you a bit about these nozzles, so if you look at them closely, you will have numbers written like 25 degree, 0 degree, then 10 degree, and 15 degree. So that's basically the angle at which it will throw the water. So lesser the angle, the more hard stains the water will hit. So if you want to really remove something which is very tight and stingy, it is not coming off, then use the red one. For most of the stuff, I think you will be good with green one. And then I'll talk a bit more about it when I'll do some cleaning with it. Now, fourth thing, I really wanted it to have a long power cord. Now this is about 25 feet and it comes in very handy if you don't have power switches located at different places. So that's really important. And then if you want to look at this hose which connects to your gun and the unit, this is about 20 feet. So you can actually get around 35 to 40 feet of distance between your power station and the place where you are trying to clean. So that is very important. And it also comes with this particular small can. So now you can put in all your shampoo, cleaners, and everything and use this to actually foam your car or foam any other stuff. Last but not the least is the color and the design. So if you look at this, it is beautifully designed. The handle is good. It has a soft hold on the top. I like green color, so nice and green color over here. Switch is pretty good. The plastic feels very well. It's not a bad quality plastic. And also, all the stuff that comes with this particular power washer, you can just store it within it. So all the attachments over here, let me show you, are modular. It can come off easily over here as well. So you see, It's very compact and very handy, and it won't take a lot of space in your garage or any other outhouse where you're trying to store it. So all in all, a good product which suits all my discretion. This could be the most important factor for a lot of people out there. Now, I got it from Amazon, so I'm gonna talk from that standpoint, but you can really get it from anywhere else. So at Amazon, the retail price was about $165, which could fluctuate here and there depending on the offers. And I also got a 30% coupon. So I'll add the link in the description box and you can go and check it out if you want to buy it. Now there are other models available which are around 4500 psi. They are in different sizes. Of course, they are bigger than this one. So if you want to buy that, do go to the company store and you will get all the models which are available by DGIVOVO. Alright, before we move to the fun cleaning part, let's look at a few important things. So this handle, it comes in separately, so you have to use this Allen key which you get in the box to basically screw in this handle, which is very easy peasy task. The second thing, which is a bit important, is that you need to make sure that this over here, which goes into the hose, this connector fits in properly. So you have to take the other end of the Allen key and you have to put it over here in the groove and just tighten it slightly, and then this will be right in place. If you don't do this, then there will be some leakage. So definitely make sure you do these two steps: one, putting in the handle, and then tightening up this particular connector to your water hose. So I now have my water hose ready, but before I connect this to the pressure washer, I need to make sure that I insert this filter. So this will prevent any debris from the water to enter the pressure washer. Just connect this over here and use this knob to tighten it. Perfect. Now when one end goes into the gun, it's very simple, just click. Very simple. If you want to take it out, press this button, take it out. The other end goes right in the front. Again, it's just press and click. If you want to take it out, just use this release button and take it out. So from usage point of view, this is very simple. Let's connect this last piece. So all you have to do is, you see this groove over here, just make sure you align with this groove and give it a simple twist so that this part locks in over here. And now we are good to go. The first thing that I want to test is the power cleaning feature. I'm just going with the default setting. The green nozzle is there. But one thing which I want to talk about is this lock feature over here. So, you know, sometimes we are surrounded by kids. So just to make sure, if right now, see, I can basically use this gun. But if I put this into the lock, then this doesn't move around. So I think this is a good safety feature and very trivial, but can be very useful when you are working around kids. All right, so now without wasting any time, let's go ahead and start the cleaning. So this is some utility space that we have. So this is the gate. You have some dirt in the corner over here. There's some dirt inside this part and also over here. This is pretty dirty. We didn't do any cleaning since winters. So, you know, I have a good dirty spot where I can test this product. And you see we have some algae over here too, which is quite dirty. Let's go ahead and use the pressure wash to ensure or to see if it cleans this well. So the first thing is to turn the water on and check for leaks. Okay, so there is no leak. So that's the first important thing. Let's clear some air, and then let's turn on the machine. So there was some noise when I turned it on, and now let's go ahead with the cleaning. So in the first go, I just gave it a quick, simple wash. Just wanted to make sure I understand what are the loosened or the weakened spots of the dirt and which are the hard spots. So you see, these guys are the hard spots over here. And now I'm gonna go a bit closer so that I can put more pressure on this part. Before I start cleaning the tough spots, I just want to talk about the position of this nozzle. So just keep the nozzle in the direction you want to clean. So if you see, this is right now in the horizontal direction, and I will be cleaning up and down. So that's why I have kept it in the horizontal direction. If you want to clean left to right, just make sure you keep it this way. So if you look at the spot over here, this spot has basically grooves which are present in the horizontal direction. So that's why I've kept it this way. So now let's go ahead and work on those tough spots. Let's talk a bit about the angle at which the water is thrown out of these nozzles. So I'm going to use this particular area to show you guys what that angle is all about. So let's first look at this green nozzle. So the closer I get, the higher is the pressure. Alright, so now let me use the yellow nozzle, which is 15 degrees nozzle. So to take it out, all you have to do is pull this down. You'll see all the ball bearings, and insert the other one. Just make sure you pull it firmly and then just insert. Simple. So I could feel extra pressure. So as soon as I inserted this 15-degree yellow nozzle, this was coming back. So you need to really hold this gun firmly. So if you need to clean dirty spots, very, very dirty, if the algae is not coming out, you need to use the 15-degree. And then I'll also test the red one. And it's like white is for the lowest pressure, green, then yellow, and then red is for the highest pressure. So if you don't want to remember the angles, just remember it with the colors. So yeah, kind of a smart move over there, but I think it comes in handy. So now let's look at where can we use the red one. But before you use this, just make sure you don't point it to anyone. It might definitely hurt that person. So we don't want to do any kind of that thing where we are trying to use this as a toy water gun. Now this is a 0 degree, so that means a pinpoint water stream will come out of it. So if you look at these crevices over here, I can definitely clean them well using this 0 degree nozzle. So yeah, let me just try to hit this part and show you guys how it actually works. All right, so the cleaning is done, and if you see, there is considerable difference between what we had versus what we have now. So all the algae is gone, all the water stains are gone. You see, the algae over here is gone, the mud stains are gone. It's pretty neat. So yeah, I think the pressure washer has worked really well. So it is a small product but an amazing product. So if you want to know more details about it, please check the link in the description. And I hope you really found this video very helpful. So the cleaning part is done, and this dude has been really helpful today. I think it is one of the best products that I've really purchased in a while, and it is definitely value for money. So if you are looking for a portable power washer or pressure washer, then you should definitely consider this one. I think it is really cool. Just one modification if I could make in it was that if I could fold this handle, then it could just fit in this small space. But nevertheless, I think the product works really well. It looks really good. It is very portable. It is very practical product. 25 feet of this power cable again, and 20 feet of the nozzle cable. So I think just ticks all the boxes that I was looking for. So like I said, all the details about the product is in the description. If you find this useful and if you are looking for a power washer, definitely check this out. So I hope this product, like the other products on my channel, will make your life better and easy. And for more of such experiences, please stay tuned and take care.